This tool is for that moment when you open a research paper, see 11 pages, tiny font, 5 tables, and suddenly your brain says, absolutely not. In this video, I'll show you how to use CitedEvidence to upload a research paper, generate a summary, and chat with the document like you have a personal research assistant sitting beside you. Before we start, subscribe for more tutorials on research writing, literature reviews, systematic reviews, and academic workflows. I'll put the link in the description so you can try this tool with your own PDF. First, go to Google and search CitedEvidence. Open the official website, then create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you're logged in, open the link from the description and follow along with any research paper you are currently reading. Now from the dashboard, open Chat with Documents. For this example, I'm going to upload a research paper. I'll click Upload Document, select the PDF from my computer, and wait for it to process. Once the paper opens, you can see the PDF on the left side and the chat panel on the right side. This is useful because I do not have to keep scrolling through the paper blindly. I can ask the document direct questions. Now I'll click the Summary tab. Here, CitedEvidence generates a comprehensive summary of the paper. It gives the main topic, key points, important findings, and page references. This is perfect when you want to understand the paper before reading it deeply. Now, I'll go to the chat panel. You can see quick prompt buttons like Summarize Introduction, Contributions, Methods Used, Limitations, Results, Related Papers, and Practical Implications. I'll click Summarize Introduction first. Now the tool explains what the introduction is about and why the paper was written. Next, I'll click Results. This helps me quickly understand what the paper found without searching through the entire results section manually. Then I'll click Limitations. This is especially useful for literature reviews because limitations help you identify research gaps. Now, if I want to ask my own question, I can type something like, "What is the main argument of this paper?" Or, "What should I mention about this paper in my literature review?" Now, CitedEvidence answers based on the uploaded document. Another useful feature is the Highlight toolbar. If I select text inside the PDF, I can highlight it, analyze it, chat about it, add a note, or copy it. So if I find an important paragraph, I can instantly ask the tool to explain it. This makes reading research papers much easier because I can move between the original PDF, the summary, and the chat. So the workflow is simple. Upload the paper, open the summary, use the chat prompts, ask your own questions, highlight important sections, and save notes while reading. That's how you can use CitedEvidence to understand a research paper faster without drowning in academic wording.